Hello, this video is going to go over how to set up conferences for Schoology so that you can have your students conference in whenever possible. First thing you're going to do is select the course that you wish to conference in. I'm going to choose my period 1 here. And on the left hand side of the screen, you're going to notice that you have the option for conferences right here. I'm going to click that. Now it's going to ask you the application for conferences by Schoology wants to access your Schoology account information on your behalf. You do have to approve it in order for it to work. Next, you'll notice the screen changes to look like this. It'll say active or completed. We're going to create a new conference. The conference name is going to go right here in this box. I'm going to call it Conference with Mrs. Kelly. I'm going to select a start time of today at 12:05 p.m. You also have the option of adding an end time. I'm going to add an end time. I'm going to make the end time 12:50. We'll make it 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock p.m. And then you click create. And there it is. It's created. Now you do have a gear here. You can edit the preferences that you have set. And then when you're ready to, you're going to press Start Conference. Now obviously it's too early to do that because right now it's only 9:28 in the morning and my conference won't be starting until 12:05. So I can always jump into my conference early if I desire to. Once I'm in that screen, it'll show me a phone number for the students to call and a code they have to put in to get into that particular conference. So, and that's it. That's all there is to it. And that's how you set up your first conference. I'll make a follow-up video on how to run your first conference once it gets closer to 12 o'clock. So until then, have a great day.